Hi everyone, it's Nikki again. I started to work on this Bird Waltz journal. The pages we selected to be pages, I trimmed a lot of them and sewed around some of them, but then I got tired of doing that, so I thought, I'm just gonna dive in. We're just gonna do this. I think I'm gonna make these two pockets because they're sideways, so let's put them in the middle. I'm just gonna start out slow, guys, because like I said, I'm so nervous to use this paper because it's just so pretty. I don't know what to do with it. So start out, oh wait, I gotta get I'll get my trash bin in a little bit. So these should be pretty good. Alright, hold on, I'm missing some pieces. Alright, I brought in one of the pages that I sewed that will go in there. I still think the edges stuff. That way I get an idea of how big the pocket should be. I'm thinking that's too big, so we'll cut it down a little bit like this. And a little bit straighter. I just need to get motivated, you guys. I was gonna make a pie. But we didn't have any foil. So then I was gonna take the trash out. We don't have any more trash bags. And then I thought, well, I should probably go to the store. Well, I don't want to go to the store because I just went to the store. And I forgot all of these things, which stinks. So, I don't know. I guess I'm just gonna round these edges. So I thought, well, why not make you guys suffer with me and try to craft a little, so yeah. Alright, so there's one pocket done. I know, I'm cheesy, right? I'm cheating! That's easy stuff. But I guess this is pretty relaxing though. That's pretty, I like this side better. Okay, so I hope you all are doing something nice, crafting, keeping yourselves busy. I had to say, today has been one of those, this week has been one of those weeks where I have to force myself to get up off the couch. I don't know about any of you guys, but I do take medicine for depression, and I'm trying to decide, I think. Let me get this part off. Yeah, this one. And it has made me gain some weight. I've never really had a weight problem before since I was wee little. And yeah, I don't want it to go all the way to the edges, so that'll work. And I'm really struggling, you guys, because this stuff is supposed to make me less depressed, but it's actually making me more upset. I know, it's just weight, right? Well, so I decided today I'm gonna start a new diet. Not really a diet, just kind of watch more of what I'm doing and what I'm eating. Do you know what I mean? Just try to kind of pay more attention to that, because I never really had to worry about it before, and now I'm definitely having to worry about it, so I'm not liking it. Look at that. That would make a good side pocket, wouldn't it? Okay, so probably about right there. So pretty. But anyways, because I tried to quit my medicine. I weaned myself off and everything. My doctor was on vacay though, so I didn't ask her permission or her guidance first. Only because I just want to do this because I feel so yucky about myself, right? And so I did try that. That didn't work out too well. I was sobbing at every single moment, like just everything. Ken was like, what is wrong with you? I tried to stop taking this medicine and it's not working out. I don't know what to do. All that stuff. So Anyways, yeah, so that didn't work. So I went back on it, but I didn't go as high of a dose as I was before. I just kind of... It's just so hard, you guys, because I'm like, what? Old. And, you know, I'm just struggling right now. So But anyways, so how are all of you? Is everything good? Don't really have a lot of cool stuff to tell you, just... Uh-oh, I hear Ken's truck. Hold on, I gotta shut this off because I don't feel comfortable filming when he's home because he kind of looks at me weird, even though he supports me and stuff. But, okay, so hold on one second. Okay, everyone, I'm back. I went and grabbed this while I was talking to Ken because I decided I want to use these because I'm like, well, they are kind of cute if you separate them. And what am I going to use this for? You can't use the back, you know, if those are in the back, it kind of looks weird. So I thought, why not? I could stick those in pockets and stuff. I am so amazed still how much better this cuts than that other thing. Alright, and plus I saw that if you cut down the lines, they're all straight. So that makes it easy. Just gotta get it right on. Which I don't think I did too good with that one, but let's try again. With that one? Oh, it's better. Okay, and another one. Oh, by the way, I did this too while I was talking to him. I just used double-sided tape. This is kind of like a vellum pocket. And then I put a word on it. And I got to ink everything yet. I didn't ink it. I was just sitting there talking to him and did that. I was going to, who am I? What? Who said that? I was going to sew it on, but I thought, you know, I got this double-sided tape. Let me try this and see if it works. And it did. So that's pretty cool. Next. Sorry, you guys. Is this taking over the whole thing? It's probably boring to watch anyways, isn't it? I'm sorry. Maybe I'll turn the video off till I get done with these. And see, I thought those looked pretty cute. Well, I gotta trim them a little, but yeah, you can put those in pockets. That's cute. Make each day your masterpiece. Cute. Okay, so I know this is boring, you guys. I'll turn the camera off until I get done cutting these and we'll move. Okay, that's done. These are pretty cute, actually. So I'm thinking we're gonna use some of these. But right now I'm gonna work on decorating this. Let's ink this first, shall we? So, yeah, today I had to go to the store, and I think I've told you guys before that with the chickens, I usually have to put a dish of food out. Sorry, I need to sit this way. I usually need to put a dish of food out because I need to cover this up so I can ink this. Sorry, don't mind me. Or a dish of cheese out because they are under my car, and just make sure they're not under my car while I'm taking off, you know, because they're so little. And so today I had to go out. Well, they usually sit under our vehicles for shade and stuff because we don't have a lot of trees in our yard, and for protection from predators too, because we let them roam. Like, we have a coop for them, but they are outside all day during the day, not nighttime. And so that's a place for them to get shade and stuff. And thinking fairies again. I like the fairies. But anyways, I went out there to leave, and they would not get out from underneath the car. And I'm like, hello, I have to go now. Can you guys, like, move out the way? They were not having it. Maybe one of those. And, oh, look at her. Kind of like her. What about that? That's cute. And so yeah, they were not moving, so I had to kind of like take some stones and like toss them in their direction. I would never hit my chickens with stones. Do not even go there. But I had to just to get them. Oh, look at that. I like that. Okay, that one wins. just to get them out. So then they would go out the other side of the car. Then I had to run, and because I had just given them a whole bunch of cheese and snacks, so they were like not having the cheese and snacks because they were full, right? Oops. So then I had to run around the other side of the car and go booga 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 booga, chase them under Ken's tractor, and then get my car real fast, take off, and go down the end of the driveway before I put my seatbelt on and got situated, just so they didn't decide to run back under the under the car. I swear, anybody who sees me leave to go anywhere has got to be like, what is wrong with her? What is this dance that she does before she leaves? I don't even get it. But they're so cute, though. And right now we have, like, well, you know, I think I told you that we lost some of our chickens to raccoons and all that stuff, which we lost Nugget. But, so one of the chickens we lost was Butthead Rooster Man, which that's what I always called him, even though he was a good rooster. But, so we lost him. They don't have a rooster right now, so we've got 2 hens, Lonnie and Duck, and then the 7 peeps. Well, we haven't named, we're trying to name them. I'm starting to distinguish them. They all have their own little quirks, so we'll get them named pretty soon. But anyways, so, yeah, so we got the 2 hens and the peeps and stuff, and then, trying to decide if I want anything else on there right now. Maybe not right now. We'll move on for a minute. And so Lonnie is one of the hens, and she's like dominating everyone because we don't have a rooster. Because we read about this stuff, you know. And sometimes if you don't have a rooster, a hen will take over the dominant role, and she will be a bully to the other ones, basically. Because the rooster, whenever he was around, what he would do is he'd find food and he'd let the hens eat first. He'd stand aside and watch for them, you know, protect them from predators and stuff. What did I do with that? What did I do with that corner edge? Or did I bring it over? Yeah, here. So he would do that. Well, she finds food and she's like yelling. She's like, nobody gets my food. I get food first. I mean, she's just like on it. To the point where the other chickens are kind of like, I don't think I really want to eat now because she's like gonna yell at me. So, I need that double-edged tape. Hold on. But anyway, she has been being mean to the other chickens real bad and like yelling at them and stuff. And so we're thinking maybe we have to kind of put her by herself for a little bit during the day, just to kind of show her that you can't be doing that, you know what I mean? And then put her with them at the nighttime. But we have the other coop, so we're thinking we'll do that. And just, sometimes you gotta show them that because they get like these dominant things going on. I'm not quite sure how to explain it, but we've been reading about it. And I was kind of worried because I don't want her to think that we don't love her or anything. But she just has to realize that she can't be doing that stuff, you know? She can't be acting like that to the other chickens either. I mean, she's one of the moms, for goodness sake. She's supposed to be nice. So, Duck, she's just kind of like, doo-doo-doo. Lonnie's in EITCH. I'm going to move along. That's what she does. Yeah. I know, I hate to say it, but that's kind of the way it is, so. But we're going to probably start doing that maybe tomorrow or something, because I noticed it today really bad. But Clue's doing good, my kitty cat. She always makes sure she protects me when I'm in the bathroom, going to the bathroom or something. She protects me from the evil bathroom monsters that can come in there. Thanks, Clue, I love you. She's wonderful. Alright, so let's see how this works here. I don't want it all the way to the edge. Straight. And that's pretty much about all that's going on about around here. I'll put some lace there too. I didn't do that very straight, did I? Yeah, Nick, you didn't do that very straight. Let's get some lace in here. For goodness sake. Holy crap, hold on 1 second. But yeah, and then another thing that's good, guys, is my car's been running, so that's always a good thing. It hasn't left me stranded anywhere. We like that. We like that about our car. Put that down the side. Yeah, that looks pretty, doesn't it? Alright, let's do that. And turns out it was an ignition switch is what needed to be changed. Who knew, right? I didn't know. Heck no, I didn't know. Okay, so I think I'll just use this. I was gonna use some hot glue, but I don't have that plugged in yet. And I already have so much stuff. I just want a craft room, but see, the only room we have that could be a craft room is downstairs. And it's kind of scary down there, guys, for real. I don't like it down there by myself. I just don't. It's scary. And, so I need to let that dry. This was a side tuck too. So where's those pages? We can just decorate this. Okay, so ink and think. I guess I'm kind of going for a bird, but yet a bird fairy theme for this whole thing, because just the way that the things are falling into step here. I don't really have a lot of bird stuff. Didn't realize that until I started putting this together, so yeah, good time for that, Nick. I mean, I have some. What do I have? I have some. What do I have in my? This is my extra stash, guys. This is when I'm doing stuff and I don't feel like putting it away, kind of thing. It's kind of pretty. Yeah, I don't really know what that was about, but oh well. Ooh, look, there's some bird stuff. Okay, there's a bird. Oop, there's a bird. We can put him on there. What do you think of that? I got a lot of black and white stuff, guys, because I've been cutting out a lot that I've been getting, so maybe I should put so much on there. Yeah, we should put some colored stuff on there. What do you think? Probably. Ooh, there's gold. We could outline it in gold. What do you think about that? That's kind of cute. Let's do that. Just for something different. Yeah, you guys are going on this journey with me, so let's go. I'm just gonna distress this because it already is gold, and then hold on, I gotta go get a marker because oh no, do I have my marker? Oh no, I have my marker. Okay, we're good. All right, guys, let's see. I'm doing this without glasses. Doing this glasses free. Probably not the best idea in the world, I guess. So I was gonna make. Wait, what was I saying anyways earlier? I don't know. Did I tell you I started taking probiotics? Yeah. It's supposed to help with gut health and weight loss and keep your stomach from being bloated and stuff like that. My daughter has some, Skylar. I went and got her some the other day, and she said it's helping her a lot. She's lost a lot of weight, but she still had trouble with her stomach being bloated sometimes by the end of the day, and she said it's helping. But okay, so yeah, that looks good. Different. Now we're gonna glue this guy on here like this. Should I don't have to do that in gold, do I? It's got enough gold on there. So that's actually kind of pretty. That was a good idea, Nick. Good call. So I'm gonna put that there. Yeah. Here we go. Very nice. Maybe we'll put a word on there too. No, I kind of like it the way it is. Let's let that go. This is dry enough, I think, to trim. So let's trim this. You guys, I can't even tell you how uninspired I've been. I have this new paper and everything. I just can't get myself to. Well, once I start getting everything out, I think I'll start getting away because I had everything put away, and that's a real damper on your creative, whatever, you know. So this is 2 pockets, well, just one. That's 1 pocket, and then so that's. We'll put these aside for now. Down here. I'm not gonna go crazy with these journals like I did with Skylar's because, and with some of the other ones, because I noticed that, you know, I just want to make these more like finding things journals. Do you know what I mean? Like a flip here and there. Like, let's get another piece of paper and we'll do a flip. Hold on. Okay, so I went and got some of the papers that I want to use in this journal. And I kind of want to decorate up some of the ones that are just like this. If we could stamp some. I got a really good idea for the stamping thing. Okay, so let's do that. I don't know where that came from, but I got these new, hold on a minute. If you guys could only see what kind of a mess I'm looking at right now, it's pretty crazy. But, I got these stamps from the thrift store. And it showed you on the instructions how to make a border out of them, but guess who threw the instructions away? But I'm sure it can't be that hard. Right? Maybe. So I thought maybe we'd do the border up on the top. I need to get some new black ink, guys. So I'm thinking that, and there's a butterfly. Wait. He goes like this. That. Okay, maybe not. Alright, I think I'm doing that wrong. Holy crap, I didn't think it would be that hard. How about if we just do... I guess we'll just try. Well, if we put... You guys are learning with me, so... We put this here, and then put this next to it like that. No, that's not gonna work. How do they do it? Hold on. That, then maybe like, how are you supposed to? This guy? No, that doesn't look right either. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do, you guys. You're gonna come with me. You're gonna... Oh! I put it on that side. Yeah, okay. Really am. I'll just do a couple of these here and there. Oh my goodness, I'm such an idiot. If worse comes to worse, you guys, we can just cover this up with lace or something. I don't know. This is an experiment. You guys are coming along with me. Okay, so let's put some little leaves in there, certain places. Bear with me. I don't really know what I'm doing. Okay, I don't really like that one that much. Let's do the... Does work better when you use the right end. I don't like the little circles that I've got going on, but I do think it's pretty. A couple of butterflies. That's kind of cute. I don't like the circle things, but I think that looks pretty cute. Good job. Pat on the back for me. I think I need one more little leaf here though. Yeah. That's not bad, is it, guys? Let's just ink around it and see how it looks. It's got black all around it, so maybe if I can get enough of this to show, we'll ink it in black and see what happens. Because it does have a pretty cool border on it too. Now I'm kind of getting a little inspired. Just doing weird, crazy stuff, I guess. Not being so worried about everything else. We need to trim that because it doesn't look good. Let's trim that. Yeah, trim that. It doesn't look good. You guys, I'm making excuses. I gotta go out and clean the coop out, really. Yeah, for me, huh? It needs cleaning out. But I will get to that. I already inked this in brown, but we're gonna do it over in black, and we're gonna trim this too so it looks better. Oh, look. Guess what that is, you guys? That is a hold on. See that right there? That is a I'm your sewing machine and I don't like using metallic thread problem. And I'm just gonna shut off in the middle of your page and make you forget that you've left it there. Yeah, that's kind of what that is, you guys. I'll have to fix that too. But that looks pretty cool. I gotta get, where did I put that thing? We'll do this in black too. Or at least try. I won't be able to cover it that much. My gosh, I've been having the most crazy dreams, you guys. I dreamt I was like a superhero and had superpowers, but yet I couldn't use my superpowers unless I had makeup on. So I had to drive around to find eyeliner, and I didn't have my superpowers until I had my eyeliner. So I went to this drugstore and they hid all the makeup from me. So I had to go in the back room and find it, and it was tucked up in, I'm gonna put something up there. It was tucked up in the ceiling so I couldn't get to it. They hid it from me. So I'm like up trying to get it out of the ceiling. What's that look like with that stuff? I don't like that. I'm trying to get out of the ceiling and get away before anybody found me. And it's like the dumbest dream ever. I don't know. You guys, I have some weird dreams. I have no idea why. Can't tell you why. I just know I do. I get a couple pieces of this. Thinking to something whimsical maybe with, hey, what's this? Kind of like that too. That's pretty. Okay, maybe this. Hey, stop it! That was Ribbon Bag attacking me, by the way. So anyways, yeah, I finally got the makeup I needed to save the world. It's kind of terrible. Everybody's hiding it from me and stuff. All I needed was some stupid eyeliner to save the whole world, and nobody understood. It was terrible. Should I cut this? Or leave it go like that? Oh, no. I don't know if I want that. Hold on, still thinking. So, yeah. Me and eyeliner were awesome. I just needed to get some. It's kind of terrible. Terrible. Time is terrible. And then I had another dream where I lived in this apartment by myself. I need to get more ribbon out here. I keep getting distracted, I'm sorry. Maybe like this. Maybe like that. What do you think of that? It kind of looks like I'm trying to cover that up, but I'm not really. I need a thinner, more full lace here. Hold on. What about this? This is right here. Look at this peach bird off. Keep getting distracted, sorry. If we cut that off, I'm gonna put that up there. Holy moly, who did that? Sorry guys, that was me. Told you I'm working at my coffee table. And not the greatest thing in the world. So, what if we did this? What if we ruffled it a little bit? That would be kind of cool. You think? Yay or nay? Maybe? I don't have hot glue though. I can't really ruffle it without hot glue. Daggone it! Who said that? Alright, let's try something else. Moving on. Anyway, yeah, and I've been having some weird dreams, like I have a crush on this guy, and in my dream I don't even know who this guy is. Don't tell Ken that though. I love Ken bunches. I don't understand where the dreams are coming from. But, okay, anyways. Hold on, I gotta go get lace. And then I'll put that on there, and then we'll call it a day for this one. Oh my goodness, you guys, I forgot to turn the camera back on. Okay, so what I did is I put some lace up here at the top. I glued a little fairy and some lace on the bottom of that. And I'm going to put this behind here and put this on this page. So I don't exactly know what it's gonna be yet, but I love this dandelion thing. So cute. So I guess the best way is to just set it down and glue around this guy. Wish me luck on this one. This is gonna be either a really good thing or a really bad thing. So thinking there. Don't mind the beeping in the background, that's Ken. Moving stuff around so he can mow. Wow, I think I got it right on the acetate stuff. Let that go. Yeah, I wanna keep that like that. Maybe make the last. No, I'm just gonna glue it all down now. Because keep it in there just for a decorative thing. I think it looks so pretty. I love that dandelion thing. I gotta do this a little better down here and put something there. That. Okay, that looks good. Now we're gonna have to we'll put a word there. So let's do that real quick, and then I'll let you guys go. Oh, where's all the words I have? That's fairies. Not come with those. Just want a normal word. What about wonderful? Kindness. Let's do kindness. Okay. So I'll fix that up. Chloe's looking at me. She's like, come on, Mom. I'm really hungry now. Can you please give me some food? That would be great. I ink this a little. I don't want it to be totally tan because there's white in the piece, so I'm just going to leave it like that. And I'm cheating, I'm covering up that line, so let's do that. I did overkill on the hot glue just now. Thank you very much. Yes, I did. Not really too happy with this part though, but I don't know what to put up there. I've been struggling. What about... No, it's It's not gonna look right either. Maybe let's just let it go. Maybe this a little bit more. Oop, there's another hot glue overload. Ow! Ow! Do not touch hot glue. You guys. Take this from me, it hurts. Okay. Well, that's kind of cute. Then we could put maybe, where's that one other fairy that I liked? Hot glue strings everywhere too. See if we can put something over on the one side. Just a little one. Like this lady. She's kind of cute. We could put her over there. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, and then I think, yeah, definitely calling it a day. It's been a long video, guys. I know. I'm sorry. Okay. Cover that up. I'm not gonna put her on with hot glue. That's like way overkill. Choose some of this. I know, Chloe. I'm coming. Get out of here, Mom. I need some treats. Daggone it, I'm hungry. Okay, I don't know. I hope that's in frame. You guys can see. Alright, so that is... I'm going to figure out something else with this. I don't really like it. But we'll see. But anyways, there's that. That. To add to our journal pages. And I will go for now. And feed Chloe so she's not mad at me. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.